only question is to maintain that high josh and high hosh throughout is the key in between. Temporarily having high josh and temporarily having high awareness, high hosh will be like going to the gym, taking training for 3 days, how to build your muscles, how to keep your body fit, and then throughout the year doing nothing about it. Will that make our body and physique fit? Will that? No. So the same is applicable here. To keep this josh high and hosh high, we need to continue what we have learned here. I really congratulate this entire team for putting the beautiful show together for all of us. And I would really like to congratulate each one of you for having chosen this place by your choice or by push or by any means. You are at the best place. Welcome home. So a big round of applause to yourself and a pat on your back. As a part of Sri Sri University, normally we assume that spirituality is part of it, and more or less somewhere or the other we have been following a little bit. But I like to say that I am the live example in front of you how to make this spirituality work at your workplace and at a place of learning. If we can take one step forward and have the basic foundation as a part of this spirituality, I tell you life will be totally different. Spirituality is not just spending half an hour in the morning or half an hour in the evening and then you do not know what is happening during the daytime. Taking charge of our own life during the daytime, whatever practices that we do, half an hour, morning, evening, how useful they are throughout the day, that is the sign, that is the true sign of spirituality and an undying smile that comes on our face. Gurudev has said beautifully in the last one of the convocation in our Ayurveda college convocation, there are 5 signs of being an educated person. A, courage and confidence. The person who is educated is courageous to go through any challenge and has the confidence to be with the opposites. Second, he said, have that compassion for the entire creation. We need to have, as a student, you need to have a passion first, and then in between you experience dispassion with the practice of spirituality, and the result is compassion. How can we be together to take everybody along? Third, he says commitment for a bigger purpose for which we are here. That's power of seva, serving while learning. So this attitude of seva and commitment for a little bigger purpose. And then fourth one is courteous, how to have correct etiquettes, mannerism, and Sheel, Bhadra, Vyavhar with everybody. And fifth one, he says creativity. Creativity is the sign of true life in us, the sign of true enthusiasm in us. If these five signs are there, that means we can call ourselves an educated person. Why did I mention this? Because if you remember these 5 C's, today the goal is set. You need to work towards it. And while you are here for 3 years, the best combination of both, best at academics, make your own toolkit to go when you go out after 3 years or after your 2 years of your master's program. You should have your own toolkit to give you the best livelihood when you go out. Second one, you should have the tools to how to lead a happy life. And third one, how to serve in the society. These 3 things are there. Then we become really useful and a true personality. And that is the spirit this university is offering. With this, I once again welcome you all and keep this josh and hosh high and keep it up. Be part of some of the sports activity. Take any one of the sport activity that you like here, so that you maintain that Josh and host together. Once again, welcome home and Jai Gurudev.